Hey, good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Burke's Garage. Just want to say welcome back after our long trip to Jacksonville for the Christmas Made in the South. Very successful day, weekend. It was nice. It was great being in Jacksonville, but it's so fun to be back and getting back to work on the car. So I just want to join you this week. We're going to be working on the fenders. I'm going to be doing one fender at a time. We're going to finish this fender as far as getting all the paint off and getting it primed. I'm also going to work on the front valance here, which will need some work, and I'll take you along with me for the ride. So sit back. I hope you enjoy it. If you didn't get a chance to see my little film when I took the road trip down to Jacksonville, check it out. It's up live, and it was fun. It's so to give you a little idea behind the scenes what it takes to put on a craft show, and it's a lot of work. Sally works very hard doing it, making the crafts and then putting up her show. She always has the best show and the best booth at most of the shows we go to because she spends a lot of time doing the design work for it. So join me and let's get to work. We're going to continue work on the passenger side fender today. It's looking really good. I put a little bit of primer on it, and so it's going to show me some of the areas that we need to work on, like here and right through here. And I'm going to try to use either lead or solder instead of using body filler. It takes me a lot longer, but I'll let you know how the afternoon results look out. Also, the front valance here, which was hit. Okay, well, good afternoon. The rain sort of interrupted a lot of outdoor sanding, but I was able to get a coat of primer on, and the primer just fills in small cracks, and it also shows you the issues that I have to work on with the shadows. This was a big area that was covered with Bondo that I'm gonna have to work on. This is a little, I worked on that and it looks much better. And so there's a lot of fiberglass, a lot of Bondo in this, so I'm going to have to work on that a little bit better. But overall, let's get an idea what it's going to look like. So we'll be working on the front end. Like I said, I'm going to replace this. I've got some stripper on the hood, and I've got some stripper on the other fender where I'm going to have to do the same kind of work on this fender. Weld a new piece in. Probably get that next week. And then just one step at a time. We keep moving towards the other sections. I mean, this goes on forever, but hey, you just got to take one day at a time. Everyone, I appreciate you watching me. Stay tuned for the next one. See ya.